Auto Vibe here, bringing you the scoop on the 2026 Toyota Grand Land Cruiser, a vehicle that blends commanding presence, luxury, and serious off-road chops. Let's explore what makes this Grand Land Cruiser special: its exterior, interior, and performance. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Grand Land Cruiser makes it very clear this is no ordinary SUV. The body is large, imposing, with boxy proportions that give it an aura of strength and rugged adventure. Standout features include a bold grille up front, sharp LED headlamps, and signature LED running lights that announce its presence whether you're on road or off. The roofline remains classic, with squared roof rails for roof gear, and attractive metallic paint options that reflect its premium status. Ground clearance has been raised and skid plates are well integrated under the front bumper. This proves Toyota hasn't forgotten its off-road roots. The wheel arches are pronounced, housing large wheels, a mix of sizes depending on trim, giving the Grand Land Cruiser both a muscular stance and functional clearance. At the rear, powerful LED tail lamps, a wide tailgate, and thoughtfully designed bumper protectors finish the look. Handsome, purposeful, and ready for both the city drive and trailhead. Moving inside, you're met with a cabin that balances luxury with durability. The seating is plush, high-quality leather or soft-tex depending on trim, with heating, ventilation, and power adjustability. Higher trims add premium materials, wood or metallic accents, soft touch surfaces, and ambient lighting. There's generous room front and back. Legroom and headroom are ample, making long journeys comfortable. The dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, intuitive controls, and a digital instrument cluster showing key driving data and off-road metrics. Storage options abound: large center console, door bins, cup holders, and tie-down hooks in the cargo area. Cargo space is flexible. Rear seats fold down to create a large and usable load bay for luggage, equipment, or off-road tools. Extra touches such as a power liftgate, optional panoramic sunroof, climate zones, and top-tier sound systems elevate the comfort level. Despite its adventure-ready nature, insulation and acoustics ensure a quiet cabin for cruising. Under the hood and behind the wheels, the performance of the Grand Land Cruiser is just as impressive. There are multiple powertrain options depending on market. In many markets, Toyota offers a hybrid-assisted 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder iForce Max that puts out around 326 horsepower and roughly 465 lb-ft torque. There is also a more powerful hybrid variant combining a twin-turbo V6 petrol engine with electric motor for around 457 HP and nearly 790 Nm torque in some regions. The drivetrain is full-time 4WD with low-range transfer capability, locking differentials, crawl control, hill descent assist, and terrain select systems to manage mud, sand, rocks, and more. Acceleration for the hybrid V6 variant is impressive, with 0 to 100 km/h times around mid-6-second range. Fuel economy is improved versus previous non-hybrid models. For the 2.4L hybrid version, combined MPG is around 23 mpg in US terms depending on trim. Towing capacity remains strong enough to haul heavy loads, trailers, or boats, and the heavy-duty suspension, robust chassis, and reinforced underbody components ensure durability even off the beaten path. To sum up, the 2026 Grand Land Cruiser is a luxury SUV built to endure. Its exterior radiates toughness. Its interior provides comfort and advanced tech. Its performance mixes raw power with modern hybrid efficiency and legendary off-road capability. For buyers wanting an SUV that doesn't compromise, whether in city traffic or wilderness trails, this could well be the benchmark. Thanks for watching Auto Vibe. If you liked this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. What feature of the Grand Land Cruiser impressed you most?